అందరికీ ప్రైజ్ ది లార్డ్. నా పేరు వెన్నెల. నేను Psalms 91 చెప్పబోతున్నాను. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him I will trust. Surely He shall deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the perilous pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be the shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that fleeth by day, nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at the side, and 10,000 at the right hand, but it shall not come near you. Only with thine eyes shall thou behold and see the reward of the wicked, because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, the habitation. They shall befall thee, neither shall any plague you come near the dwelling. For He shall give His angels charge over thee to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest thou dash the foot against the stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and adder the young lion, and the dragon shalt thou trample under feet. Because he hath set his love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. When he call upon me, I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and shew him my salvation. Thank you.